Dollar Tree has new inventory for fall for your garden, porch, and patio. Welcome, welcome. Now let's go ahead and take a look to see what they have going on over there. And for my first timers, my name is Marlene. So we're going to take a look at things for the porch, things for the garden, and then some things that you can use indoors. The first thing that caught my eye were these beautiful rugs right here. And as you can see, they had lots of different options over there. I love this one that says Harvest Blessings. It's so beautiful. They are a little bit soft though, so I'd probably use them after you step over the threshold, getting inside the house than outside. But it just depends on, your traffic going through, what works best for you. The outdoors by the door, I prefer to use these ones that are made of coir because I think they're a little bit more sturdy and they can hold up to the heavier traffic that comes through. And they had lots of beautiful options there, and I get them from time to time. If you wanted something with a more muted finish, then this one works too. And that one was for $5 as well. And then these over here, absolutely love these wreaths. And these are 20-inch wreaths. This one, like if you like the neutral colors of fall, and that would be a good one for you. It's very pretty. And this one up here is more up my speed. I like the warmer colors. And you can see how gorgeous they are. And they also had the swags as well too. The wreaths were for $7 and the swags were for $5. And you can maybe get like 2 of those and put them on either side of your, like your column post or beside your door, whichever one works better for you. But I think they're so gorgeous. And of course, you can use them year after year. And now down here, they had these, like those little signs that you put on your porch. If you want a more whimsical look, these were for $5. You can certainly go ahead and get these. I think it looks very playful, especially if you have smaller children. It says Welcome Fall. Over here, I like these. These are a little bit taller. The one on the left is my favorite in this batch right here. Of course, they also have for football season and for Thanksgiving celebrations, if you're wanting to do those. And over here, these ones are made of metal. These are just little signs or little stands you can put. And you can see these stacked ones right here too. So these are all great to put on your porch. And those were going for $5. Very, very colorful. These right here are some string of lights, and they have 20 of them in there. So like, you could put them up and turn them on at night, and they'll give that nice little glow. And we just love the warm glow of the fall season. They have the straw bales. They can use those, as they are. You can put like pots, flower pots in if it's not too heavy, or like little scarecrows and all of that, just to make it give you that nice harvest type feeling. So I'm probably going to get one of those, but just not today. And then over here now, more beautiful porch stuff. Look at these right here, guys. These are little lanterns that they already put together for you. And you can see how much they were going for. You have the metal ones and the ones that are wood and metal and the ones that are all wood. So lots of different options and different choices. $5. These are really good prices. And then over here, now this little box that they put together right here. Very, very colorful for the season. And you can put those like on a tabletop, maybe on your porch or your patio. And you can see how the other colors that they have are going there. And this little one right here has a beautiful sunflower, which can go from late summer into early fall. And of course, if you wanted to put your own, masterpiece together, you can always get the lanterns. The bigger ones are for $5, the smaller ones are for $3. You can always mix and match what you want to put in there to make it your own, whether you want to make it glam or you want to make it more farmhouse style. And I just absolutely love this sign right here. And I did get one of these. I think I'm going to put this on my front porch. And it's made of metal with the wood behind it, so it will hold up for quite some time. We have this one above it right here. It says, Hello, Fall. That one is all wood. You have more that says Fall with the leaves on there. And that one right there is metal. I think it's really nice. So lots of things to make your, your fall porch really pretty. And I just love this one right here. It just gives me that nice, warm harvest feeling for the home right there. Welcome to our harvest home. Very vintage and just really, really nice. Another one right here that says welcome. So you have lots of different options to really make your porch pop. There's some more over here. And I think these can be used either inside or outside depending on what you're trying to do, especially the ones that have the recipe on there. Maybe like for a kitchen or a mudroom. Hello Fall, very pretty over there again. I'm not sure what those are. If you guys have ever used them, let me know how you use them. And then over here we have some beautiful ones here, like little table toppers. And the garden section is coming up, guys, so stay with me. Over here you have some light up decor. So you can put like, the flameless candles in there. These are some cute little, like, little once upon a time stories. You can put a little ones together, whether on a tabletop or just however you want to arrange them. You can also put a little light in there if it's allowed to fit. I'm not sure if it can fit in on the bottom, but I really like how they look. They take me back to my childhood days. And these ones are some metal ones right here. You can always put the tea, like a little tea light candle, but it's the flameless one. You could put those in there. And this one over here is like a little carriage, Cinderella style, made of metal. You can see the little wheels on there and how much they were going for. And I really love this one. I think it is just so stylish. Like vintage and modern at the same time. Those were for $7. And over here they had these table toppers for $5. And they had a pretty decent weight on them, so they're not going to turn over as easily as some of the other items might do, just depending on what they are. So you can put it on a tabletop and it should be pretty secure up there, I would think. If you like neutrals, that one would be for you. Over here we have these. You can also put the lights in these ones and they'll glow really nice at night. Very, very pretty. And guys, you know that I love to decorate my porch for each season with flowers and fixtures. And so be sure to follow along to see what I'm going to do this year. God willing, I plan to do something really nice out there. And now we're going to move on to the garden items. 15 cents for the seeds, guys. Now, they weren't a lot, but you can still, you wouldn't plant them if you're in a colder area. But if you're not, you can always keep them until the following year. They'll still be good for you to plant those out in the spring. And over here, they had these gloves. They're not as thick as I would like, but some people really like them. And if you like them, definitely go for them. They're colorful and they're very, very pretty. So I really like that about those. Over here now they had the garden totes. And for these, you can, like put things that you have harvested in there. You can put like your lightweight tools in there. You can put packets of seeds in there. Just so many options. And it's fairly sturdy. So I think that's a really good buy. And they had the little pruning saw right there. And I've heard that these trowels are really nice. They're extra wide and they also have the markings that tell you how deep you're going into the soil depending on what you're planting. So that's a pretty good one right there. And they have the cultivators because we still have those pesky weeds. So you can go in and get them out with those. Little rake right there. If you have like a raised bed, that rake will come in really handy, because it's short, it's for the shorter areas. And down here, they have these kneelers. I don't think they're as soft as I would like, but let me know if those work for you guys. I'd really love to know your opinion on those. Gladiola seed, it might be a little bit late, and I don't know if they'll keep up next year. And these are some beautiful pot huggers, and my sister loves using them. And in this recent video where we did a tour of her balcony garden, we had so much fun. We'll show on there how she uses hers. So be sure to check that out, guys. If you haven't already, it'll be at the end of this video. You can check it out. So over here now, they had some garden stakes. They're very seasonal. I like the pumpkin ones and the ox one. And those were for $1.50. And of course, the scarecrow, we have to have that. Whether you're putting it, in your garden or your porch, depending on what you're doing. These were going for $7. You can see how tall it is. And they have the smaller sizes for $1.50. So everything just comes together so nicely, guys. And if you love the fall season, give me a thumbs up. I would love to know. This right here now is a metal spinner. So of course, when the fall wind comes through, it turns. And kids really love to see those in the garden. So that's a good one there. These are looking a little bit like spring colors to me, but I think you can combine orange with that green and it would still look good. So it just depends on what you're trying to do. Or you could just save them for the following year. And those are going for $5. And they had the stackable containers over here. So if you're starting seeds or you just wanted to grow them in those were $1.50. And it also has some little clay pots as well too, which I like. And these usually have holes in the bottom, so it works out really, really well if you wanted to start sowing some seeds right now, or just to save them for maybe like your late winter sowing. So you have lots of different options there. And these little plastic ones are here as well too. There's 6 in each pack. And these are some nice little harvest baskets over here that you can like put peppers, tomatoes, beans, and all those things. This rake, it actually is plastic, so I'm not sure how sturdy it's going to be, but if you like it, you like it, I guess. And over here, this is just the only one of this one that I saw. I didn't see any more, and I really like it. I think it's great for like dried flowers or even fresh ones too. And they had the little torches that you can use as well. And I just wanted to take a moment to invite you to subscribe if you have never done so before. On this channel, we do garden DIYs. We show you what's at the garden centers. And we also go over, tips to help you along the way, because we all learn from each other. I want to say thank you so much to our channel members for being a wonderful part of what we do here. So we're moving to the indoor stuff now, guys. And of course, you can use some of these on the porch as well, too, depending on how large it is or if it's, has a lot of protection. You can see they have these little table toppers right here, very stylish. And the one you saw before was kind of like a rattan for the, the mushroom and, other things shaped like that. Very, very colorful. And those were going for $5. If you like those tier trays, you can always assemble this, put it together, and then, put your, your rows in or your layers in there and stack whatever decor you like on there. So like these would definitely work on something like that. They're not very heavy though, I will say. They're pretty lightweight, so this most likely would be for indoors because you don't want them to, get knocked over if it gets windy or anything like that. So over here now they have some florals, and what I like about these is that they're for $5 because the bunch is already put together, and not only that, they have a reasonable amount of height to them. So I think it looks a little bit more expensive, and because it's taller, it's more versatile in my opinion. So I really like how those were looking. And these are the regular ones that they normally have, shorter size, and it's typically just one type of flower. Sometimes they may mix and match, but you have so many options over here that you could choose. And guys, I don't do the, like the scary stuff, so you will not see those on my videos. We just pretty much go for harvest and this wonderful time of year when everything is just warm and just, nice as we look forward to, wrapping up the year and Christmas and all of that. So lots of little things, little nicks and knacks down here that definitely say fall. And over here, of course, they have the garlands. You can wrap those around columns. You can wrap them around your door or whatever you wanted to do. And they had some little bows right there. Very, very colorful. I like those. And they have some little plush ones on here if you wanted to use those, for decorations inside your home. Then this is an option here for you as well. You have different colors, as you can see. And these are the firmer ones. And they also have little garlands that are made with the firmer ones as well, too. So that option is there for you. So they have lots to offer, very colorful, and they're neutrals as well too. That's what you prefer. You can put your little accents and work it out whichever way you want. But let me know what was your favorite item today, guys. The wreaths, I think, were one of my favorites, and I like the match too. But like I said, I'd keep those inside because the heavy traffic sometimes coming to the door may damage them a little bit. And I just wanted to take a moment to say thanks so much to our channel members. Again, you mean so much to us and those of you that share our videos out with fellow gardeners. And if you have never been on this channel before, we certainly hope you'll consider subscribing and journey along with us on this wonderful hobby that's called gardening. So many benefits to it. Thank you all so much for watching. Happy fall when it gets here, if it's not here for you when you're watching this. And I do hope to see you in the next one. Take care.